tool to help those battling addiction could be expanded under a new proposal filed in Frankfurt.
But the idea behind the bill is controversial. It would allow people to use illegal drugs inside of a harm reduction center without being arrested. WLKY's Mark Vanderhoff explains how supporters say this new idea could make a difference.
I'm at the Louisville Recovery Community Connection, where they are doing fantastic work helping people who are battling substance use. And if this bill passes, they could help even more people.
This place saved my life.
Shanika Bond was pregnant and battling substance use disorder when she came to the Louisville Recovery Community Connection last year. Now she's sober and working at the front desk.
It allowed me to know that people cared about my situation and I wasn't alone. And it's good to have a good support system.
House Bill 514 would create a pilot program to allow local health departments to run similar spaces, but with a new twist. Visitors would be allowed to use illegal drugs, such as heroin, without fear of arrest. The idea is to get more people in the door in order to help them.
Maybe that next opportunity, they'll say yes. I want to go to treatment.
Sharita Walden runs the Kentucky Harm Reduction Coalition, representing centers just like this one in Louisville. This site trains people to use Narcan, which reverses an opioid overdose. They can also test visitors for hepatitis C and HIV, commonly spread through shared needles.
At the same time, you have these outreach workers who are talking to them about the services in the community. They're talking about, what recovery looks like. Hey, have you ever tried a treatment program? No, what is that?
House Bill 514's sponsor, Louisville Democrat Joni Jenkins, acknowledged safe use sites are not without controversy.
Well, I don't think it would go through this year, but it is. I've talked to a few other legislators about it who are like, yeah, there's some really good outcomes, but it is Kentucky. And I'm like, let's start the conversation and let's start talking about it.
In the meantime, existing harm reduction centers like the one in Louisville will keep helping people without safe use.
And I just feel like if you just walk into our community, we could just brighten your day and just give you out the love that I received back.
And more importantly, they'll keep saving lives. Mark Vanderhoff, WLKY News.
Now, there are safe injection sites in Canada, Australia, and Europe. The first site in the U.S. opened in New York City last November.